Hey, what's up, man?
Hey man.
Dude, since today is such a good day, let's prank somebody.
Heck no, let's play basketball.
Nah. He'll go, you play your puny little game. This is how I roll.
Fine, but I'm warning you, you'll regret what you will do.
Then I guess we are no longer pals?
This is your life to screw up, leave me out of it.
But you will miss the fun.
No.
Fine, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Sup man?
Hey man.
How are you doing? I mean, how is our 1 carat of gold doing down the basement?
Do you mean 100 carats of gold? Because if you do, then you need to work on your numbers.
I don't really give a crap about numbers, I only give a crap about all the shiny gold we got. If you have a problem with that.
You know what? I really do have a problem with you. I don't think you care about your life. And what the hell do you mean shiny gold? It's all rusted and dirty. You seem to be the CEO.
Please. Don't continue that sentence, I have had enough of you blabbermouth. Life is full of weird conflicts, just tell me what you want to tell me.
Okay, fine. I just wanted your girl.
That's it, wow, you totally wasted all of this animation's dialogues.
I'm sorry, Jack. I'm sorry, viewers, I just try to be a womanizer, but I don't think that is appropriate for you guys. But please, rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye.